Hello, this is to show the demo of the on-ramp and off-ramp of USDC on Avalanche. So I will first of all select the currency to which I want the currency which I want to use to buy with. So I click Kenya shillings and then I select the chain which is Avalanche, and then here this automatically changes to Avalanche once I select here. This can disconnect first and then connect. Use MetaMask and connect, which connects to this address. If you want to change the address to which, you can just open MetaMask and change the address. Then I input the amount I want to use. For example, I want to buy USDC worth 150 Kenya shillings, which is 1.13 USDC. I click next. This is the wallet address to which the USDC will be sent. So I provide my phone number, the one I'm going to use to pay, and then next, and then transfer funds. I click transfer funds. I will receive an STK push on my phone and then authenticate that. And then once I have done that, I can click fund released. This might take a while, so I will click fund release and wait to receive the amount on my wallet, and I'll see the progress here. This might take a while. This is taking longer than expected. Already received here. I can see I received the one to show you just on the activities, and this is for sending. So yeah, you can see the balance increased. So yeah, this was successful.